Your revolution start here.
Every gallbladder, 99% gallbladder is done by laparoscopy. Many other things are done by laparoscopic colon and everything. How everything has changed, everything has evolved. It's not changed, evolved. This area is totally indurated. The pulpit is totally indurated. If I don't drain this area, this patient is not going to be cured.
Welcome to Ashwini Hospital and the organizers Kozhikode. Hope we'll meet again some other.
Wonderful day. We have learned a new technique, and I thank the laser front teams, Girdhar sir and Kalyan sir, for teaching us new technique and keeping us updated.
Hopefully we can take it into practice. Hopefully Lasertronics will give us a good deal to buy the machine and use it to practice. Thank you.
All the delegates today, I want to thank the organizers. It was a really great experience.
This minimally invasive technique for proctology, procedures really make it patient friendly as well as surgeon friendly.
Today, right from the morning till the evening session, and we can take forward this to use it on our patients and adopt this laser technology henceforth. I thank Dr. Kalyan.